How to clear your Amazon Prime Video account's search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear the search history of your Amazon Prime Video account. So first of all, let us open our Prime Video account. And now as you can see, I've already logged into my account. So if I go to Find, which is on the bottom side of the screen, and then tap on the search bar, there you'll see the list of all of the searches you've made so far. So now if you want to remove these from your search history, you can individually delete them by simply tapping the cross icon right over there, and then it will be removed. But if there are way too many searches, what you can do to delete them all at once is simply go to My Stuff on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen, and then there you'll see an option just under My Account named Clear Video Search History. So tap on it, and now in order to confirm, simply tap on Yes. Then it will pop up saying Video Search History Cleared. Now let us go to our Find once again, and now if you go to your search bar, nothing will appear, meaning your entire search history has been deleted. So that is basically how you delete or clear your search history on your Amazon Prime Video. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.